Hello, this is Microsoft Teams training video, joining a Microsoft Teams meeting through the invitation email. Okay, when somebody sends you an invitation email to join a Microsoft Teams meeting, it looks something like this. Okay, and so what you'll want to do is join on your computer here. So you'll go ahead and click that link. Then what happens is you're redirected here. Go ahead and cancel out of that window. And then what you'll want to do is continue on this browser. So we'll click that. Then here we are. It brings us to our meeting. Okay, so in here, what you do is you would go ahead and type in your name. In this case, it is me. Let's see here. And what I like to do is I'll make sure that I've picked the appropriate devices here. There is actually not a test like there is in Zoom, so you'll have to pick the appropriate devices over here. And so it would be for your microphone, speaker, and your camera. You need to choose the appropriate devices for that. Once that's done, exit out of that. And what I'll do then is go ahead and join the meeting. So we'll do this, click join, and it's connecting. And so it's giving us a message here, but whenever the meeting starts, it'll let the presenter know, and then the presenter will let you in. So that's joining a Microsoft Teams meeting through the invitation email.